I'm failing miserably over here.
They was never friendly, yeah. Now I'm coming out of Bailey, yeah. And I know I sound dramatic, yeah. But I know I had to have it, yeah. For the money I'm a savage, yeah. I be itching like I had it, yeah. I'm surrounded 20 babies, yeah. But they didn't know me legend, yeah. Everyone wanna act like they important, but all that mean nothing when I saw my door, yeah.
Welcome back to the Man and Machine. Today is awesome. You see that behind me? Where are we? Can you see that? Where's the sign? There it is, right there. We are at Ferrari of the Woodlands, and we are going to check out the new whip that they are about to produce. The new supercar, the new hybrid baby brother as a SF90. Are you ready? Because here she is. Let's go. This is the new 296 GTB Ferrari. Let's go. We all know supercar ownership to be the large power unit and gobs of horsepower. But now we're moving into an age where that is not necessary. Moving to a smaller block of V6 twin turbo with the hybrid unit. So we're getting lots of power from different sources. And here is that V6 engine that is sitting nice and planted within the 296. V6, twin turbo up here. And then there's that hybrid power unit right there. Oh my gosh, so compact, so fitting for such a chassis. I mean, come on, if Formula One has a V6 with hybrid battery power and it's flying around these racetracks, why can't a road car like this be modeled the same way? It is a gorgeous piece of machinery. Are you still, alright, remind me here. Where's the start button on this thing?
It'll be down below at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock on the steering wheel. It'll be right there.
Oh, I gotta close the door. I'm like, where's the light?
So it's kind of started now because
that's right, on the electric.
right.
So that's what is that, the H that's only right there, or is that something else?
Hybrid,
Yep.
yeah, so, but hold the start button down again, it should fire up. Put on the brake a little harder.
I'm failing at starting up a 296. RPM red line at 8,500.
Maybe turn that off again. Oh, yeah, leave that off.
Alright.
Stand by with me.
You're good. Interior of the wonderful 296 is what you want. The feel of a race car. Nothing but the information you want right in front of you. I'm failing miserably over here. I'm failing miserably over here trying to turn this.
So you can't drive off, and it won't.
Do I need to turn this off completely? Do I need to open the door maybe? See if that works.
You get me.
Plug button right there. Learning lesson. Right. I'm gonna turn it on first.
Now you should be ready.
And
Technically, it is on now. You could drive on it, but
all right, and then now.
down it should start.
Oh wow, that was quick. That sounds good. Goodness gracious. I love that sound. That is a good sound. Probably the spec I do. I mean, I haven't seen many Ferraris with black caliper or brake calipers before. It's usually yellow, right?
Yellow or red, but I was shot that they
Did
put yellow on it with this color.
yeah. I mean the Ferrari red and yellow. What do you know what red this is? Rosa?
Oh, Russell Imola.
Imola. And this splitter right here, just
Got 5 aerodynamic elements under the car.
yeah.
That splitter breaks it out and breaks the air.
Oh wow. The channel of the air even into the brakes.
Yeah, and then you got intake here. This is an air intake. That's an air intake.
That is cool. I mean, yep. More development, getting smarter, making these cars better and faster.
And then they come out.
Still warm from the startup and the revs. Thankful that we got to hear a little bit of that noise that this supercar produces. Planted very low. You can see the exhaust come straight back out through here, and then we got the air intakes blowing in, turbos up top, piston heads off to the side. We got the Assetto and the base package, and the difference was 200 pounds maybe, those two, and a lot more carbon fiber bits on the Assetto. Stance looks good. The ride gap is about 2 fingers. It's not too shabby. Pretty good wheel gap. Probably 3 in the back. Side skirts, carbon fiber, front splitter, carbon fiber, rear tear splitter, carbon fiber, all optional for the most part. No, some not so optional. I think all that's standard. I'll find out. But the Assetto definitely has all that carbon. And you can see here the top speed is 205, 0 to 60, 2.9, 820 horsepower, although I did read around 850, so we'll just stick with the 820. Over 800 horsepower for a V6 twin turbo, come on, that's plenty enough. But color looks phenomenal. I think the red, I know this Ferrari is where to be, but I think that's for all Ferraris. Mind you, if I did do it, would you guys want me to do a Man in the Machine's black spec? All black? Maybe silver calipers? Darker wheels? Comment below if you think I should do a black spec 296. But yeah. We got another startup. And I love it. It sounds so good. Thank you for that. We love a nice startup. I like the headlights. 2, I guess, pillared headlights, low and high beam. You got the standard parking lights, air induction here, air induction here, wind channel underneath to cool the brakes. One other point of note. Wheels are 20 245s up front and 20 305s in the back, so staggered. Get that extra grip on the rear end because this is a rear-wheel drive Ferrari. This is the baby brother SF90. Instead of all-wheel drive like the SF90, we have two wheels, so lots of burnouts, lots of drifting. I mean, I'm certain you can drift in the SF90 too, but this will be a little easier to do. I like the rear end of this. I think that's the most intriguing part for me, even with the center exhaust. But I like this pattern here for the ventilation. And then one more thing, I think we all are familiar with this little piece right here. It pops up for little extra downforce, little spoiler. Power pack over here on the side. Wait, that is interesting. I don't think that's the fuel cap. Oh, the fuel cap's right here. That's something else. Thank you, Ferrari of the Woodlands. The tour was amazing. The car, I'm interested. We'll see what comes next. Smash that subscribe button. Hit that like. Hit that notifications button. Leave that comment. Come on. This year's gonna be great. All right, we out.
Racing is life. Anything that happened before or after, it's just waiting.